Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to use Duotone using Canva. So you're going to want to pick up the template by selecting the image and clicking on the link. When this window loads, go ahead and choose Edit Template. If you are logged into Canva, it will automatically open up in Canva. If you're not logged into Canva, go ahead and log in with Google using your school account. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the second slide, and there are images there. I'm just going to demonstrate how to do this particular slide and then show you what your next steps are. You will select one image and then choose Edit Image in the upper left corner. You're going to select Duotone under Effects, and you're going to start assigning different colors to these 9 images. So let's say, for example, you choose the first one to be pop. Click on the next image and maybe amber. You can do whatever colors you want, and then I'm going to continue to add different colors to make it look more interesting and colorful. Something that's really interesting is if you select a color, you can also click on these and change it to whatever color scheme that you want. So just keep that in mind. If you don't like the colors they offer you, you can change those colors. So I played around with the different colors. I like what I came up with. So what you're going to do is you're going to select that slide and you're going to right click and choose Duplicate Page. And now what you're going to do is change it to example 2 in this case. And you're going to go ahead and choose Photos over on the left. So go ahead and look for an image that you want to replicate 9 times on example 2. So I went ahead and typed in child. If you use it and it says Pro and it has a watermark, don't use it. Find another image. For example, this picture of this boy does not have a Pro version, but go ahead and try it, drag it out. If there is no watermark, then you're free to use it. So you just drag it out and you replace those images and it automatically takes the color that was added on example 1. That way you don't have to keep assigning colors, which is kind of nice, unless you want to. But I like the color choices and I like how this came out. This one is a little on the strange side, so maybe I might go in and play around with that. So I will choose Edit Image, I will choose Duotone. You can see some of the image examples, so click on that. I've already used that technique, so I'm going to look for something else. I'm going to keep looking until I find one I like. I made the change and I like it, so again I'm going to duplicate example 2 by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Page, changing it from example 2 to example 3. And I will look for another image to replicate 9 times. I went ahead and changed the image of the girl to a young boy, and now I'm going to right-click again and Duplicate Page, change it from example 3 to example 4, and find another image. If you want to add your own image, you would go ahead and choose Upload on the left. Under Images, you would choose Upload File, and then you would go to that folder where you have images. So I'll go ahead and locate an image. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this image in Canva, and the quality is not that great, but I'm thinking the overlay of that color might mask the imperfection of that image. So I will drag it out. I'm thinking this one's not going to work, so I'm going to find another one. Here's another one I uploaded, so I'll drag that out, and this is a much better photo. So this is going to turn out just great. Once you've completed at least 5 examples, you can go to the audio option, drag a song off, and set it up according to how to add music in the first part of this project, and then you would save it. Now keep in mind, if you can't use the music, you can always go to Pixabay to get your music. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag it out. I'm going to change the audio from Audio Effects, change it from 3 seconds to fade in and 3 seconds to fade out. And I'm going to choose Share in the upper right corner, Download. I'm going to make sure it's an MP4, and then I will choose Download. When it's done downloading, you can go to your Downloads folder on your computer and you would be able to locate the example in that folder, and there it is. This concludes the session on how to use the Duotone option in Canva. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.